Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to a brand new video of 2024. I really hope you all had an amazing new year and I hope you're all doing really well today. So I've decided throughout January to just blitz my house. I want to do a home refresh throughout January. This is just episode 1 because I want to deep clean and declutter my entire house for 2024. There are so many areas in my house that just get neglected, and yeah, I just want to do a thorough top to bottom deep clean. So I really hope that you enjoy this one. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any of my future uploads. Also leave today's video a thumbs up and let's just jump straight into it. So many times. Okay, so the first thing I needed to do on this day was a good tidy up, put everything back where it belongs, and then I'm also going to be doing a little bit of decorating in today's video as well, because as you can see, everything is left bare from Christmas. I haven't put anything else out yet, so I needed to redo that TV cabinet and my shelves, the radiator cover, just go in and sort of spruce it up a little bit so it's not so bare. I don't decorate for Valentine's or anything like that, so I just wanted to get my everyday decor back out, but I do have a lot of changes that I'm going to be making over the next few weeks. So yeah, I just wanted to sort of get my house back to some sort of normality and tidy before we can go in and give it a deep clean.
Yes, I fell in love with you and tried my best to make.
So whilst I'm sorting out my kitchen, I just wanted to say a huge thank you to everyone who watched my previous video. The response to that one has honestly blown me away. I've got so many new friends that come over to my channel from that one, so I'm really glad that you enjoyed it. If you haven't seen it, I will have it linked down below, but if you came here from that video, hi, I am so happy to have you here. My name's Amanda and I post cleaning content, decluttering, and also like some fashion hauls here and there, just a little bit of everything, but it is mainly to do with the house, the home, everything. Cleaning, decluttering, organising, and I post at least once a week. I'm actually trying to post twice a week from now on, like going into the new year, but it is a guaranteed video every Sunday and then hopefully one during the week. So don't forget to set that notification bell so you don't miss anything. But yeah, again, a huge thank you for joining me.
Cause it looks like you're a fallen angel, and wherever you have been now, baby, I don't wanna know, don't wanna fight, just wanna stay in this paradise. If only for a minute longer. So come on, baby, and hurt me. Is this paradise? So come on, baby, and hurt me. Let's see what you got. Hurt me, touch me, feel me. Doesn't matter what we'll be. Still been through a lot. Hurt me, touch me, feel me. 'Cause it feels like paradise. Feels like paradise. Is this paradise? I was looking like a fool when I met ya, all covered up in the dirt from my past. So insecure by myself when I met ya. Won't you give me any warning? I've been thinking about you day and night and day and night. To be honest, I just don't know what to do next. 'Cause I'm the one with a broken heart, waiting for you to come out and save me. I'm a mess, need to untangle, and I'm a fool for you, baby. Fool for you, baby. Waiting for you to come out and save me. Fool for you. You were making me so sure in a heartbeat.
I don't think there's a better feeling than a clean kitchen. I really don't. I love having a really clean, sort of empty kitchen with like no decor out. I don't know why, but just having a bare, clean kitchen, it's like a weight's been lifted. So I'm actually not going to be putting any decor or anything out in this video in the kitchen. I just like having it bare for now, so I am going to be doing that in a couple of weeks, but right now I just wanted to focus on cleaning it from top to bottom. So as you can see, I'm doing my favourite thing, filling the sink with Zoflora and going over all of the cupboards and drawers and just disinfecting everything and making it smell absolutely beautiful.
I know it isn't logical. That something that you do to me is chemical. I know it isn't logical. Something that you do to me. I'm the one with a broken heart, waiting for you to come out and save me. I'm a mess, need to untangle, and I'm a fool for you, baby. Fool for you, baby. Waiting for you to come out and save me. Fool for you.
Okay, so I'm back in the front room now to give everything a good wipe over, dust everything off, and then give it a good hoover. I feel like this just completes the room, wiping everything down, making it nice and fresh before I put some decor out, because I don't really want to decorate before I give it a clean. I mean, I'm pretty sure everyone would dust before decorating, but that's just a given for me. I've always got to dust and then hoover and then get everything out. But like I said, I am going to be redecorating, well, not completely redecorating, but like redecorating in like a few weeks, and just figure out how I actually want this for the next few months, because at the moment I just used my everyday stuff that I sort of had to hand and that I could grab easily, whereas I do want to try and find a few new pieces and really sort of find my style for this room, because everything is a bit mixed matched at the moment. Nothing really goes with each other, if that makes sense. So I do want to sort of get on Pinterest to get some ideas on how to actually decorate this room and this TV cabinet, because as you're gonna see, it is mixed matched. I do like how it ends up looking, but I do think it could look better, if that makes sense. So I am going to be sort of putting a board together on Pinterest, which is my favourite thing to do. If you're not sure how to decorate a room, get on Pinterest, because there is literally every idea under the sun on that app and I love it. So I'm gonna try and get a few ideas together, especially for the kitchen as well, because I'm not really sure what I want to do with that. But like I said before, I don't decorate for Valentine's or anything like that, so the decorating that I'm doing now is going to be for the next few months until spring. Normally I do like decorate for winter, but I think I'm just still going to be sticking with neutral instead. I'm not really sure, but like I said, I will be mixing it up in a few weeks, so stick around to see how things change. But yeah, right now I'm just wiping everything off, ready to decorate.
Bring it on, prove me wrong. Go put up a fight. The way I do will knock you down. You know there's an ocean between us. Don't cry about it. Don't cry about it. You want me to take you in my trust. Oh no, you know that ain't the way. Oh no, there's nothing new in this game. You got to give it up, give it up. Give it up, give it up. I'm wearing you out. Keep on keeping on every night. Way up in the clouds.
The final thing I need to do is hoover. I'm moving everything out of the way to hoover behind it because I don't actually remember the last time I did this. I normally just hoover what I can see. That sounds really bad, doesn't it? I don't actually remember the last time I moved everything out. So I'm going in, giving it a good hoover now. Don't forget to subscribe if you've enjoyed this one, because I feel like every video going forward in January is going to be even more intense, because we're going to be getting to the nitty gritty. So definitely subscribe so you don't miss it. Leave today's video a thumbs up and I will see you guys back here in my next one.